Shopify settings. In this lecture, we will take a quick look at the general settings in the Shopify dashboard. Click on the left on the bottom on settings. Okay, once we are there, I want to click on general and we're gonna cover all those things here, right over here. We're gonna cover it step by step. So I click on general and here you can enter your store name. This is what people see if they enter your domain. So and here you can enter your administration email. You log in with this email, and right over here you can enter your legit business name. Is not required, but you can do it. I'm not gonna give them a phone number because that's too much. So yeah, and here you can select your state, and right over here you can select your time zone, and here you're white. Okay, and here you can use store currency. That's really important. If you have euros, I have euros for example, because I live in Europe. And yeah, you can also enter a different store currency like dollar or something else, or pound. So that was it for this lecture, so I hope I will see you in my next lecture. Payment providers. In this lecture we will talk about payment providers. And click on payment providers. Okay, there we go. Okay, wait. Okay, this is your custom checkout. People can check out with PayPal Express. And yeah, that's the default mode. So your store accepts PayPal payments with PayPal Express checkout. So I'm gonna click on this button, this edit button right over here. And let's edit it. Click on edit. And I will accept credit cards. So you can select your provider. Stripe is really popular in my country. Everyone uses Stripe. I don't know what it is for your country, but feel free to look around a little bit. So you can choose for different payments checkouts. So that's great. So okay, and you can also yeah, I select Stripe right now, and I will wait. Okay, once we are there, I want to show you that you can also select Amazon Pay by clicking on the activate button, and you can also select alternative payments like BitPay or GoCoin. Okay, don't worry if you don't know what it is. I'm gonna explain everything step by step. So in the next lecture we will go to the next step. Okay. Checkout settings. In this lecture I will show you the checkout settings. Navigate then to the checkout button right over there, to the checkout option, and I will click on it, and I will wait till it's loaded. Okay, customer accounts. I'm gonna give you the best opportunities, but it's up to you. Accounts are disabled. Customers will only be able to check out as guests, or accounts are optional and customers will be able to check out with a customer account or a guest account. I highly recommend the second one. And the third one is accounts required. Customers will be able to check out if they have any customer account. So that was the first section. And the second section, we can select if they check out with a phone number or email. I highly recommend the second one. The customers can only check out using email. It's a lot faster and better. And here you can change the settings if they need to enter their company name or their full name or their address. Address is optional, that's of course, and shipping address, and phone number is hidden. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, that was it. So yeah, and your your checkout lineage, you can manage it right over here by clicking on manage checkout lineage, and you can change your checkout lineage. So for example, if you have a store in another lineage, you can enter it right over there. So yeah, that was it for this lecture, and I hope I will see you in my next lecture, and yeah, I will see you soon. Shipping settings. In this lecture, I will show you how you edit or add shipping settings in Shopify. Okay, once we are there, I want you to navigate to the shipping button right over here. Click on it, and you'll wait. Then you will see where you ship from. You ship from the United Kingdom in this case, and we're gonna ship to the whole world. So you can add here countries. These are your shipping zones, and you can enter amount of how much it's gonna cost. For example, the rest of the world is gonna cost $20. You can edit it here, and yeah. So I'm gonna click on add shipping zone, and then I'm gonna show you how you add shipping zones. Okay, right over here. We will wait and wait, and I can click here on add countries for if you're adding shipping zones to your shop, to your store. So these are all the countries. There are many countries, the whole world, I think. So yeah, nearly the whole world. So that's great. So here you can set up your price-based rates, and there your white-based rates, and you calculated rates. So yeah, basically you need the shipping zones only if you ship out of your country, and if you ship out of your country, you can add your own prices for it. So, for example, $20 for the rest of the world, and the country where you live in is, for example, for 10 euros or dollar. So okay, I must say this was a pretty difficult lecture to understand, so the rest is gonna be easier, so don't worry. So I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. Taxes. In this lecture, I will show you how you use taxes in Shopify. Okay, once we are there, I want you to navigate to the taxes button. Right over here, you can say that all the taxes are included in my prices. So the taxes are already included in my prices. It's really important. And charge taxes on shipping rates and the rest of the world. And yeah, probably taxes are, if you, for example, someone lives in the Netherlands and he buys something from America, he will pay the tax. So you don't have to worry about it as a store owner. So okay, so that was it for this lecture, people. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like it, and I will see you soon. Locations. In this lecture, I will explain you something about locations in Shopify. Okay, once you're there, I want you to navigate to settings and to locations. You can manage the places you stock, inventory, fulfill orders, and sell products. If you have a drop shipping business, you don't need this. But if you sell your own products, you will need this. So you will need it to fill it in. So I'm going to click on add location right over there on the blue button. And I will enter here my name and the address. You must give real information if you ship your own products. And the apartment suite. For the second time, if you have a drop shipping service, you don't need this. So I'm gonna talk later about drop shipping. But here you enter your city, your zip code. No, I'm not from the Netherlands. And I will enter here United States. So that's great. Okay, and here you enter your phone number and etc. and other things and stuff, and click save. Okay, that's great. We have added our location. So this is where all your stock stays, your stock management. So that's great. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next lecture. Notifications. In this lecture, I will show you how you use the notifications in Shopify. Right over here, you got the settings and do notifications. And once you're there, you will see that these are all automatically emails. They will be sent to the customer if the customer cancel his order or ask a refund. So this is going all automatically, and you don't have to do anything. So that's great. So we'll take a look at the other refund. There will shows up a bunch of code, but you must ignore that. That's already set it up for you. You don't have to do it, because if you see here a bunch of code, and you will preview it how it looks. So don't change anything in the code, only if you have experience with it. So this is how it looks if someone asks a refund, and it will be emailed to the user like this. And yeah, that's great. So that's probably notifications in Shopify. I want to thank you for watching, and I'm proud that you're my student, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Files. I'm gonna click on files, and this directory is just like the media library in WordPress. If you know WordPress a little bit, you know the media library. You know what it is, you know what you can do with it. But if you don't know it, I'm gonna explain it to you now. The media library is a library where you can upload all your images in. For example, you need images for a theme or for a slider or for anything what you need. Any media library files will be dragged and dropped into this section. So I want to thank you for watching. I'm happy that you're my student, and I hope you like this short and quick and accurate and quick, straight to the point lectures. So I will see you soon. Sales channels. In this lecture, I will show you how you use the sales channels in Shopify. I'm gonna navigate to sales channels right above, and I'm gonna wait, and I've already added Facebook to my sales channel, and I'm gonna add another channel. You can add Instagram or buy button or Messenger or point of sale or Amazon or eBay. But Amazon and eBay got different requirements, so I'm gonna explain you that soon. Yeah. Okay. And back. Okay, we will connect Facebook to it. Touch it. Okay, I will click on the Facebook button. And I will wait. And wait. And wait. Okay, once you're there, you're gonna click on the blue connect account button, and you will enter your username and password. I'm gonna click on the blue connect account button. Selling such Facebook is a really good opportunity for you. Okay, enter here your email and your password for your Facebook account, and your store will be ready. So I'm gonna exit, and I'm gonna show you the eBay and the Amazon checkout sales channels. Sorry. So I go to my dashboard, and I go to navigate to sales channels and add sales channels. And as you can see, right over here, you see that wait. Okay, you see that you can only use eBay if your store is located in the United States or Canada. So that's really stupid. Why we can't do it if I'm in Europe? So, but you can do it. So if you're living in the United States or Canada or your store is located there, you can do it. And on Amazon, you need to the requirements are that you have dollars, so USD. So I really and highly recommend Facebook. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Account settings. In this lecture, I will show you how you go towards the account settings. We will add the stuff account in this lecture. So I go to account. We are at settings. And here you see my name, Jared Field. This is the account owner. I'm the owner. I'm a staff account. I have a staff account. So if you want to add the staff account, you can add 2 with the basic plan and with your trial. So here you enter the name. And you can select the permissions, what he can do, what he can manage, and which assets he have. And you will enter here the first name and the last name right over there, and the email right over here. So example user.hotmail.com. Oh, sorry, hotmail.com. Yep. Okay, and you can click on the blue button and they will revive the email. And if they accept it, they can have the permissions to edit your store. So that's great. So the blue button right over there. So that was it for this lecture. It was a really short lecture. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I helped you a little bit. So I will see you soon. Hi, today I will show you how you upgrade your terms of services. Okay, navigate to settings and to legal. Click on legal. And right over here you can generate your refund policy in one click. Click on generate from template and you can edit it if you want and save it. So that's great. So yeah, and we can also generate our privacy policy. We're gonna do that soon. Okay, now we're gonna generate our privacy policy with one click. Okay, that's great. And we got our terms of service that we're gonna generate. And I'm gonna choose generate from template. Okay, that's great. You can always edit it if you want. And I'm gonna click on save. And then I'm done. So we have created in a few clicks our terms of services, our privacy policy, and our refund policy. So I hope I will see you on my next lecture, and I will see you soon. Billing settings. In this quick lecture, I will show you how you manage your billing settings in Shopify. Alright, right over here, I'm going to click on settings, and I'm going to navigate to billing, right over there. And here you can add your credit card information for all your Shopify bills and payments, so that will be there. And right over here you can see what for kind of subscriptions you got in Shopify. I've got nothing. So okay, I go back. And right over here you see your FEAT number. That is your business number, your company number. So if you don't have one, don't enter it. And if you have one, you can enter it right over here. So I will hit cancel. Yeah, and this was a little bit about the billing section. And yeah, I hope you've learned now what the billing section means. And I will see you soon.